The thing I like most about working at TRU PACE is the sense of community and family that we establish with everybody who comes through those doors. So whether you are a participant, whether you are a staff member, whether you are a community visitor who's just really interested in wanting to support our mission, you come in and you are a part of our tribe. And that feels so good because I think we live in a world where community is lacking. And I think that we have this unique, beautiful opportunity to create family and community where maybe there wasn't before for a lot of people. And of course, especially for our participants, that's a really big deal. So that's one of the most beautiful and important things I think we offer at TRU PACE. I think one of the things that's most important for new enrollees or people who are thinking about PACE is that you are in the driver's seat. This is all about you and what you need and what your unique healthcare goals are and how you want to design the rest of your life. What do you want these days to look like? How do you want to feel? We at PACE really focus on your healthcare, your mental health, your how are you functioning, how are you connecting with others? All of that matters, and everything we do is about helping to make today as best it can be, and we're so centered around that. So it's so important that folks understand that about PACE. The other thing that new folks, we would want you to know about PACE is that this is very much a partnership. You are not a patient, you are a participant, and you co-design everything that we do, whether it's your healthcare care plan or what we do here for day programming at our day center for fun. We have a very active program of a participant advisory committee where folks come together to share direct feedback around how can we improve the program for you and how can we meet your needs and how do we make this fun, because that's really what it's about, is living and having a good time. So how do we create that here? And so that co-design and partnership with our participants is a really big deal and a really big value we hold at TRU PACE. One of the things that's most unique about the PACE model that everybody needs to know is that it's truly a social model. Everything that we do is grounded in promoting wellness and health and mental and physical well-being of all of our participants. One of the ways we achieve that the best is through creating a sense of community and socialization. One of the biggest ways we do that is through our day center program. Like so many other places, we have been impacted in terms of not being able to have a lot of congregant stuff going on here. Our day program hasn't been able to be available because of COVID. And in spite of all of that, this team has come together to find really creative ways to help our participants continue to feel connected to us, connected to their healthcare, and probably most importantly, connected to each other. Our participants have created a wonderful sense of connection and belonging with each other that we have tried to continue to foster in every way possible in spite of COVID. So that's feeling really important that folks hear that right now too. One thing that I think is one of the most important things people need to know about PACE is that PACE is fundamentally a social model, which means that everything we do is really grounded in providing socialization opportunities, to promote wellness, to promote health. Everything else we do around physical therapies, medical therapies, counseling, whatever it is really grounded in that sense of you belong. You are a member of a community, and because of that you matter, and we see you. All of us see you, whether it's other participants or the staff or the community folks that we work with who provide care. You matter, and you are valued. So the socialization piece of it is a really big deal, and we, just like many other organizations around the state, have been impacted by COVID in terms of being able to deliver more of that socialization piece. Here at TRU PACE, that's all about our day center, where folks can come and have fun and have rec therapy activities and all of that. We've had to change how we're delivering those services because folks can't come in. But what we've done, our team has been super creative in trying to find ways for folks to continue to feel connected here at PACE, stay connected to not only our staff, but each other. And truly, I think that's probably one of the most important things about PACE is a sense of family and connection we foster among the participants, that they look after each other, they know each other, and they keep track of each other. So we all come together to create a community where maybe there hadn't been one before for so many folks. And that alone promotes wellness. People feel better. We're able to impact depression and anxiety and all kinds of stuff that's harder as we get older. But I think PACE is uniquely able to offer that to people, and that's one of the biggest differences we make.